LegalZoom Digital Notary App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Digital Notary App is designed to make notarizing documents fast and convenient, but most people get this wrong when they think notarization always requires in-person visits. The surprising truth is that you could securely get documents notarized from anywhere, saving time and avoiding the hassle of scheduling appointments. One major pro is convenience. The app allows users to upload documents, verify identity, and connect with licensed notaries via video. This process can be completed from your home, office, or even on the go, making it perfect for busy professionals or remote teams. Another advantage is security. LegalZoom ensures that all digital notarizations meet state compliance standards. The platform uses encrypted data transfer and identity verification to make sure documents are legally valid, which is crucial for contracts, real estate deals, or legal forms. However, there are cons. Not every document or state accepts remote notarization, so you must check local regulations before relying solely on the app. Additionally, while the process is fast, some users report waiting times if notary availability is limited during peak hours. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Digital Notary App is a practical solution for individuals and businesses seeking secure, remote notarization. It saves time, reduces stress, and ensures documents remain legally valid. For most users, it's an efficient alternative to traditional notary services, but always confirm that remote notarization is accepted for your specific situation.